Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Harmony 1 price prediction update, and the current price for Harmony 1 stands at the $0.05 mark, and on TradingView the market is up by 5.6%. and in this video I want to give the key scenarios that I expect to play out, the key expectations, the key supports and resistances that you need to break above, and my analysis will be based on the Elliott waves and the Fibonacci. So make sure that you stick around till the end of this video and give me a thumbs up, and also consider subscribing to the channel. So Harmony 1 has been trading above the $0.04 mark, where we have a key support which I expect us to continue holding for us to continue seeing higher prices for Harmony 1. And I want to kickstart the video by giving a brief of what has been happening on this chart. So Harmony 1 started seeing higher prices in this Elliott wave pattern, having a wave 5 taking us to an all-time high, and from the all-time high we have been seeing lower prices in this massive ABC correction, and the ABC correction has taken us to around the $0.03 mark, and from there we started seeing a bit of a bounce to the upper side, and we have been holding above this key area of support at around the $0.04 mark, and I expect us to continue holding above that area for us to continue seeing higher prices. And because Harmony 1 has done whatever it needed to do in this ABC correction, having come down to this yellow target that I had down here between the $0.11 mark and the $0.08 mark, and even went below that, I believe in the next wave to the upper side Harmony 1 is taking us to an all-time high, and that might happen in this wave pattern, Elliott wave pattern, having a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 and a wave 5. And for that to happen, for us to see that wave 1, we first need to break above some key resistances between this area, between the $0.04 mark and the $0.19 mark. We need to break the key resistance at around the $0.01 mark and see a successful retest of that area. And once that happens, we can then go to the next area of resistance at around the $0.015 mark. Once we break above that and we have a successful retest to the upper side, we can then see a move to the upper side to the area between the $0.019 mark and the $0.23 mark, and that's the target area for the wave 1 to the upper side. And this target area, I'm basing it on the Fibonacci. So if I apply the fibs here, so when I apply the fibs, you can see this area is between the fib level 0.6 and 0.5. so that's the area for that wave 1. That's the minimum that I would expect that wave 1 to do. And then once that happens, we can see a wave to a little bit of a move to the lower side in a wave 2, then a wave 3, a wave 4, and then a wave 5 to an all-time high. Because this I'm basing it on just probabilities, it's not a must that we continue seeing higher prices, and we can still break below this key support that we have at around the $0.04 mark. And once that happens and maybe we have a retest of that area, Harmony 1 will be, worst case scenario will be playing out, and that would mean we could even see lower prices for Harmony 1, and I hope that won't happen. And for that not to happen, I also expect us to continue seeing higher prices on the Bitcoin chart, because once we see a sell-off on that chart, it's also possible for us to see lower prices on the Harmony 1 chart. Also having a look at the indicators, on the RSI we are at around the 37 mark, and that would mean we have room for us to continue pushing the market higher. We have room for that on the RSI. Also on the MACD, we had a bullish cross, and we can see there is an increase in the volume on the MACD. and that's very positive to see on the MACD, and that would mean we might continue pushing the market higher and go back to this yellow target that I have over here between the $0.08 mark and the $0.11 mark. Going to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, you can see we have closed at least 2 daily candlesticks, 4-hour candlesticks above this key area of support, and that is very positive for Harmony 1. And once we see maybe a higher high above these highs, that will be confirming the breakout to the upper side. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and if it plays out, I'll keep you updated. And we also have this nice pattern over here where we have an ascending channel. We have an ascending channel on the 4-hour chart, which has more than 3 touch points, and I expect us to continue seeing higher prices and maybe go to the upper side of this channel. And once we break above that and maybe have a retest of that support on that channel, it's possible for us to unlock even higher prices on the Harmony 1 chart. So let's be patient and see whether Harmony 1 will manage to break out of this channel which we have been trading for a couple of days. So that's all on the Harmony 1 chart. I'll keep you updated on anything that plays out.